Hello grade 8 students. In this video we'll talk about our lesson classification of substances. Everything around us, as we said before, is classified as matter. Matter can be classified according to two categories. The first category according to their state, the second according to the components. According to their state, they are solids, liquids, or gases. However, according to the components, they are pure substances or mixture. And the mixture, they can be either homogeneous or heterogeneous. Let's move into details. First, solid. They have definite shape and they have definite volume. Example about this: table, box, chair, desk, fan, all of them, they are classified as solids. Second state, they are the liquids. They have indefinite shape, meaning that they take the shape of the container they are placed inside it, and they have definite volume, meaning that the volume does not change. Water, oil, juice, alcohol, all of them, they are liquids. Third state is the gas. They have indefinite shape and they have indefinite volume. And they have a special property: they occupy all the space available for them. Example about this: oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas, and others. You have to know that we have a special type of solids. These are called the powdered solids. They have definite volume like the solids, but they have indefinite shape. What the meaning of this? Indefinite shape, meaning that they take the shape of the container they are placed inside it. For example, if we have sugar or salt or flour, so we place them inside a container, they take the shape of this container. The fourth state of matter is the plasma. This one is found mainly in stars and does not exist on Earth. Let's talk about the mixtures and the pure substances. As we know, pure substances, they are made up of only one kind of material. Example about this: iron, copper, oxygen, and others. However, the mixtures, they are made of two or more pure substances. Example about this: oil and water, pizza, fruit salad, vegetable salad, and many others. Examples about the mixture. Now let's talk about the physical properties. These properties, they can be classified either descriptive or measurable. Descriptive, like the odor, the taste, the smell, the appearance, they are called descriptive properties. However, the measurable, those whose we can measure them, like the case of the density, the melting point, freezing point, boiling point, and others. All of them, we can measure them using specific instruments, so they are classified as measurable properties. Mixtures are divided into two groups. The first group are the homogeneous mixtures, and the second group is the heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is formed of only one phase. It has only one appearance, like the case of salty water or sweet water. They are the case of the homogeneous mixture. However, heterogeneous mixture, it's formed of two or more phases, like the case of oil and water. According to their density, they are separated into two main phases: the water and the oil. Fruit salad, vegetable salad, pizza, all of them, they are classified as a heterogeneous mixture. Pure substances now. Pure substances are classified as elements or compounds. What the meaning of an element and what the meaning of a compound? Element, it's a pure substance that cannot be broken down into another simpler substances. So they are only pure substances that cannot be broken. We can break them into different substances. However, compounds, they are pure substances, but they can be broken into two or more simpler substances. We call them compounds. Also, the elements are classified either metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Some example about the metals, which are good conductors of electricity, like the iron, gold, silver, copper, etc. Example about the non-metals like the oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, fluorine, and others. Example now about the metalloids, like we said before, boron, silicon, and others. This table is showing the comparison between the metals and non-metals. All the metals, they are solid at room temperature, except one of these metals, which is mercury. However, non-metals, most of them, they are gases, while others are liquid at room temperature. And example about this, bromine also. Metals, they are shiny and they have luster, they have brightness. However, the non-metals, they look dull and they have no luster. Metals, as we said, they are good conductors of heat and electricity, while non-metals, the opposite, they are poor conductors of heat and electricity. Metals are malleable, however, non-metals are non-malleable or not malleables. Metals are ductile, while non-metals, they are non-ductiles. Metals, they have high boiling points and melting point. However, the non-metals have low boiling and melting points. What the meaning of malleability and what the meaning of ductility? We said that malleable, ductile. Malleability is the ability to be hammered into thin sheets, to be hammered, to be, for example, composed into thin sheets. However, ductility is the ability of the solid to be drawn into the wires, like the case of the copper, for example. They can place inside the wires, the electric wires, so this means ductile, or it has ductility. So this is the difference between malleability and ductility. Thank you. Bye bye.